Good day, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our MATLAB tutorial from Federal University of Technology, Mina. And looking at my screen, you can see that we are continuing on from where we stopped in our previous video. So do well to check out our previous video. So in this section today, we are going to be talking about or before I move on, let me do a quick break, a quick refresh on what we did last in our last video. So we talked about declaring matrices. This is a simple string. Then we talked about this is basically talking about variables in this section, and then here we also talked about what data types, the data types you most times come in contact with when working. So if I'm to run this from my right hand side, you can have all of what we have here. So today we're going to be looking at simple arithmetic operations in MATLAB. So I'm going to come out here and I'm going to write operations, arithmetic operations. I'm going to make that bold and I'm going to change the font style. Good. So that's our code. So in MATLAB, we can perform basic arithmetic operation like the addition, subtraction, and so on. So when I'm saying for the addition, sum is equal to, we can say 5 plus 3. So this is going to give us the addition. And then you can see for the subtraction, difference will be equal to 10 minus 2. For our product, you can see this is going to be 4 multiplied by 6. For our quotient, we could say this is going to be 20. Quotient is also division, 20 divided by 5. Then for our exponent, so this is going to be equal to 2 raised to the power of 3. So when we run this, we're going to have our different outputs by our right hand side over there. So you can perform another operation like find the sign of a particular number, sign 0.456. You could also run that. Answer is here 0.4404. Also find the cost of 3.890. Comes up our answer as we see here. We could even go ahead to actually plot, but I think I'm going to leave that for our future tutorial. Now I want you guys to check out if you can find the tangent of a number. Although there are formulas you can apply to actually find the tangent other than having the keyword tangent or tan, for example. I will leave you guys to find that out for yourself, explore MATLAB and see if you can find a tangent directly on MATLAB, or do you have to apply the various formulas. I hope you got something from this episode, and I hope to see you in the next one.